Howdy y'all, it's Mark. We're gonna show a cool new product. People look at that and go, what the heck is this? Well, this is a gripping handle, grab handle to mount on your loader. It's from Ken's Bolt-On Hooks. It's boltonhooks.com. Ken's delivered these to make things easier for old guys like me to get up on my tractor. If you look at this, the way he's got this made, the hole is big enough you can get a gloved hand in there. It's got an angle so that once it's actually mounted on the tractor, you can get it from the kind of a lower angle, if you will. It's going to be put up here on the loader mast, so when you're sitting in the chair, no more grabbing the steering wheel. You can go ahead and grab this, hold yourself as you're getting on and off. Ken actually ships this with installation instructions. Fortunately, the install's simple enough, even a guy like me can figure out how to do it. So it comes with the nut and bolt. The bolt is the nut is got the nylon stop washer in there, or the stop locking mechanism, so it shouldn't vibrate off, assuming you tighten it up good enough. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this in. Notice there are two holes. There's one big hole, one small hole. Those line up to the two holes that are in the loader mast. When you set this thing in here, I'm just setting it on the side towards the arms. I mean, this thing just sits in there like it's cradled, so I mean, it's pretty much an idiot-proof installation. So I'm just going to go ahead and we'll put that through there. I'm going to hope I can do this without actually dropping the nut down into the loader mast. And get that started there. Alright, it takes 2 5/8 wrenches here. So I'm just going to hold the one side with the fixed wrench. I'm going to use my ratcheting box end on the other side. Get that tightened up. And there we go. So the bigger hole is still lined up if you want to put something through there. A lot of guys will put mirrors in, things like that. You'll notice that I put my glove on, that this is still good here. Use that. So nice handy handle to get up and down on. Sit on here. Use that to pull yourself up. Hold as you're stepping down. Of course, a lot of people say you want to step down backwards, but we won't go into that right now. So anyway, go ahead. This is a great addition. Simple. One of those, why didn't I think of that type of things? So get on boltonhooks.com. Check it out. Kenny will take good care of you. Order that. You even get a free koozie. That's it. Thanks for watching.